Here are the top 5 questions that people are most interested in regarding the REVIVER lead-acid battery desulfator. We will answer each question one by one, starting from: why do lead-acid batteries need? Which batteries should REVIVER be installed for? How to use REVIVER? What are the product lines of REVIVER? When should I buy and install REVIVER? The first question: why is REVIVER needed? Battery aging is a natural scientific phenomenon. The main cause is due to the formation of lead sulfate crystals. In fact, even when not in use, lead sulfate still appears inside the battery. This phenomenon occurs with batteries that are in use, not in use, or even with brand new batteries that are still in storage. Therefore, if you want to slow down this aging process, and help your battery to operate in a healthy and long-lasting way, we definitely need support equipment, such as REVIVER. The second question is, which battery can REVIVER be installed on? As analyzed before, if REVIVER is installed from the beginning, it will have the highest efficiency. REVIVER helps increase the remaining lifespan of the battery by 2 to 3 times. However, the battery must still have remaining life for REVIVER to work. If the battery's performance suddenly decreases without a clear reason, then try installing REVIVER to solve the problem. The third question is, how is REVIVER used? Unlike other battery recovery devices currently sold on the market, REVIVER is directly attached to the battery without requiring special charging or maintenance. It operates much simpler than the high-frequency method, which requires a lot of time to use the charging device, or the physical method, which requires the battery to be removed for processing. REVIVER is used simply by attaching it to the side of the battery. The fourth question is, which battery can REVIVER be used on? All types of lead-acid batteries, whether wet or sealed cell, can be installed with REVIVER. Depending on the battery's capacity, you can choose the F or G series. If the battery's capacity is 250 Ah or higher, use the F series. If it is lower, use the G series. The fifth question is, when should REVIVER be installed? REVIVER can be installed on a new battery or a battery that is currently in use but has problems. REVIVER has a lifespan of up to 10 years. So even if the battery is replaced, REVIVER can still be used for the new battery. The sooner REVIVER is installed, the greater the economic benefit it will bring. So, have the frequently asked questions about the REVIVER battery life extender been answered? REVIVER improves the lifespan and performance of batteries by decomposing lead sulfate crystals. Whether the battery is new or in use, simply install REVIVER can save costs on battery replacement and improve work efficiency. How to use lead-acid batteries longer? REVIVER is the answer. Why replace? Let's REVIVER.